Welcome back. This video is for a friend of mine. He saw the roofs on my two Cadillacs, the 87 and the 82, and wanted his 88 done. And this is for him. You can see the trim on your car has been taken off around the windows and the drip rails and the emblem. And partly on this side. I think this part will be coming off next. So they got the trim around here done too. So most of the roof is off, meaning the trim for the roof is off. So I'm assuming first of the week they will do the rest. This is a super nice car, and I think my friend will be very happy with it. He's very happy with the job that they did on my own Cadillacs, two of them. And I said to them, I want you to give him the same treatment they give me. So I think he's going to be very happy with it. It's a beautiful Cadillac, and they do the best roofs in town. Factory stitching will be just like this when it's done, hopefully in a few days. So I hope my friend likes this video, and I'll see you guys down the road. Best of all, it's a Cadillac.